Hi, greetings from Khalid. Welcome to Fiverr tutorials channel. Hope that you all are fine and doing well. In this video, I will show you how you can backup and restore your WordPress website using cpanel of your site hosting. You can also come to know how to configure database for your website following this tutorial. Sometimes your WordPress website may crash or fail due to any unexpected incident. As a result, think that you can even log into WordPress dashboard to maintain your website. That's why it's important to keep complete site backup using cpanel. Showing WordPress website backup and restore from cpanel right away. Stay tuned. Welcome back to WordPress website backup and restore process. This is my WordPress website. Each WordPress website has basically two main parts. One is WP content folder that includes website content, plugins, uploads, and secondly, the database. Any WordPress website operates utilizing some resources like core WordPress files and WordPress configuration files also. At first, let me show you where all these website files is located in and the database location. My website URL is it.fiverrtest.com and in hosting cpanel, all of my necessary website files is located within this folder named it.fiverrtest.com, and I am gonna take a backup of it, which contains core WordPress files, files in WP content folder, and WP configuration files for the website. Here, files in WP content folder includes your website theme, plugins, uploads, and other related files. I am going to show you the database location also in the hosting server. You need to log in your hosting cpanel using the credentials usually included in the welcome mail by hosting company. Then under phpMyAdmin in cpanel, site databases list is available. My website database name includes 517. Now showing you the following steps covering backup and restore of your website one by one. So watch the video until the end without dragging. At first, going to take a backup of website files and database. So to take a backup of the website, let me write site URL with port 2083 for cpanel. Now log in to cpanel. Use cpanel login credentials, which usually you can get in the welcome mail provided by your hosting provider. Click login. So I have logged into cpanel. Now go to File Manager. All of my website files other than database is located within it.fiverrtest.com folder. In case of only a single website, all of the website files usually located in public HTML folder. So for files backup, let's go to it.fiverrtest.com folder. Then select all files. Right click and select compress. Check zip archive option. Click compress files. Showing compression results, click close. So the website files is compressed within the zip file cgibin.zip. Let me download the file cgibin.zip. Before downloading, I am renaming the zip file. Now downloading the zip file, including all website files except database. Website files downloaded, and I am keeping the zip file backup in a separate folder. Now for taking database backup in step 2, go to phpMyAdmin within cpanel. I am looking for the database of my website to take a backup of it. This is the database list. To identify the database exactly, checking the file wp-config.php within the website folder in File Manager. Then right click and edit. Click Edit. This is the database used for my website. So go to phpMyAdmin. And select the correct database name. All table appears. For backup, click Export. Click Export button here also. So the database file is downloaded, and I am keeping the file backup in a separate folder. So the full backup of the website with the database is here within this folder. We have another video on WordPress website auto backup and restore using free plugins, so that you can schedule your backup automatically and restore the website more quickly. If you need it, follow the link below this video. Now in step 3, I am going to drop my website files and database also. The importance of showing the steps on dropping files and restore the website again is that once your website files or database corrupts due to any incident, you should be capable to restore your website right from the backup. So for dropping files and database, go to website folder after login to cpanel. For me, I am already logged in. Now select all files and then delete. Confirm deletion. So all the website files is deleted. In step 4 and 5, I will show you this website files restoration process using the backup files. So keep watching the video until the end. Again, for the database deletion, go to phpMySQLadmin in cpanel. I am already logged in, so going to phpMySQLadmin. My website database name includes 517. So click on the database, select all tables and drop. Now there is no table in the database for my website. After dropping the website files and database, let me check how the website appears on browsing. Now I am showing you how to restore your WordPress website files and database manually. To restore the website files, I am to use the backup zip file id fiverr.com. In hosting cpanel, all necessary files of my website is located with the folder named id.fiverr.com. So, to restore the website files, click on id.fiverr.com folder. The directory is empty. Click Upload. Drag and drop the backup zip file. The zip file containing all website files is uploaded. Right click and extract the files here. So all necessary files for the website is uploaded. Now delete the zip file id_fiverr_com because it is already extracted. Right click on the file and delete, then confirm. Now in step 5 I am to restore the database using this backup file. So to restore database, go to PHP MySQL admin in cpanel. Checking the website database, there is no tables. Now click import, then choose the file to import, choosing the backup file for database. Scroll down and click import button. Import has been successfully finished. That means database import is successful for the website. So our WordPress website is restored now with all of its files and database. Let's browse the restored website to check how it appears. Pretty cool. The website appears fine with all of its components. So we have successfully restored the WordPress website through performing backup and restore process from cpanel of web hosting. I hope you enjoy the video. We have another video on WordPress website backup and restore using Updraft Plus free plugin. If you need it, follow the link below this video. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe this channel and get in touch with more awesome upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.